Hey guys, welcome back to AppMentor. In today's video, let me show you how to verify your work email on LinkedIn. First, click on the Me tab in the top right corner of the screen. Then go to the Profile tab. From there, click on More on the profile. This is where you'll verify your work email address, whether you have Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, or any other email provider. The steps will help you with the verification process. Look for an option to add or verify your email address. Once you add your email, you'll receive a code in your email inbox. Go to your email, find a verification code, and enter it back in the LinkedIn verification page. Click on Send Code, then Verify, and your work email should be verified. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.